Do you know the name of this low maintenance gorgeous plant? Or do you have this plant in your garden but don't know much about it? This is broken heart plant. It's a trailing vine which can be very easily propagated through cuttings like money plant. We'll talk about this plant in detail today and we'll see how to propagate them. Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started. The botanical name of this plant is Monstera Adansonii and it's commonly known as Swiss cheese plant. It's a quite popular house plant and a bit costly as well. The plant is popular for its unique and visually appealing leaves with natural holes in it. It's a trailing vine and you can use some rope to trail it. And they are ideal to be grown with moss stick, and many people like to grow it in hanging baskets as well. It thrives in bright indirect sunlight. The foliage can burn if it's exposed to direct harsh sunlight, so ideal to be kept near windows or in porch or patio where it can get bright indirect sunlight and some fresh air. It's an air purifying indoor plant but toxic to pets and children. So just be careful while growing them at home. The plant loves lots of moisture in the soil, so regular watering is very important, but it doesn't like to sit in the stagnant water. So make sure that your pot has good drainage. Now let's talk about how to propagate them. Always take cuttings with joints or nodes. So I have collected these cuttings now and let's prepare multiple cuttings out of it. It's very simple, same as money plants. Make sure to have a cutting with at least one node for root and shoot growth. Something like this. So our cuttings are ready now. Let's plant them. So here I'm taking two pots of different sizes. They both have drainage holes, and few cuttings I'll put in water for rooting as well. Now I'll put some sphagnum moss at the drainage hole and just fill the potting mix into pot and plant the cuttings. For the potting mix, I have taken a mix of Cocopeat, vermicompost and perlite. No soil. And believe me, this works really well. Now water it well and keep the pot in semi-shade. Now you can simply put the cuttings in water for rooting. Just make sure to change the water at least once a week to avoid mosquito breeding. And within few weeks you will see the roots formation, something like this. These are old cuttings growing in water and they are ready to be planted in pot at this stage. If you don't want to grow the cuttings directly after cutting from the mother plant, you can let them develop roots like this and then transfer to the pot. Now coming to the last method, in case if you have cuttings without leaf also but stems with joints, you can put those cuttings into water to develop roots as well as new shoots. Yes, over the period of time they will develop new roots and leaves as well, and then later you can shift them to soil. So that's all for this gorgeous plants, friends. Just multiply them to many pots using these simple methods. Stay tuned for more upcoming interesting videos. See you.